How you guys doing? Working on this Chevy. This particular one doesn't have that heads-up display, all that stuff that's in here on some of them. So it was pretty hollow here. I like to put the switch here because it casts the light up on the tack. It's really hard to not know your stuff is on. I know you guys want to know how I did it. So here's what we did. You can kind of pull this panel out enough to drill up from the bottom up with your 3/4 unibit. You poke through there, you clean the edge in, you snap that panel back in place, just like that, and now you have your switch, and you can kind of see down in here plenty of room to get to the wiring. I actually prefer myself to wire out long enough to hook up to the switch and then kind of back pull it in. So I'll actually pop that switch out. I'll bring all my wires that need to be on it out here, probably a good 6 inches or 8 inches. Connect the switch and then back it all back up into the assembly. That way, if I ever have to change the switch, I've got plenty of wire and it's not ran banjo tight from the back of the switch over. This is just a couple of T15, pops it out, very easy. Side panel pops off. While I'm here talking, in this fuse box right here, you'll find a lot of power all in here. This is battery power. So at any one of these terminals, you can simply put a female spade terminal right there with a fuse, and that's where you feed your power from right there. As far as ground, you can go ahead self-tap right into this metal here, or down along in the bottom of the kick here, there are some factory grounds you can go with, but the ground isn't really that hard to find. So once again, that's how I did that switch right there. And if you want to do one on your own, that's how you do it.